Disengaging behaviors come in many forms. They could be phone use, improper body movements and posture, having a side conversation with a friend, and many other things. This video will provide you with source evidence, scholarly data, and visual examples. The purpose of this module and video is to inform you how disengaging behaviors can negatively affect your academic performance. By the end of this video, you'll be able to reflect on your own classroom behavior and recognize it as potential disengaging behavior. Okay, let's get started. First, I want to talk about an article by David Schneider, a professor of communication at Saginaw Valley State University. His article is titled Unstructured Personal Technology Use in the Classroom and College Student Learning, a literature review. This article studies the correlation between unstructured technology use in face-to-face classes and negative academic performance. I want to focus specifically on cell phone use. A study was conducted where 40 students were tested on 2 occasions, once in a non-texting environment and once in a texting environment. Students scored an astonishing 27% lower on an end-of-class quiz in the texting environment. This shows that texting not only distracts those who text, but also the students around them. With that being said, being on a cell phone disengages the user from the class and disengages other students by directing their attention to that person using the phone. Other factors that influence disengaging behaviors is external factors. These are scenarios where a student feels unaccepted by those around them and develops antisocial behavior. It can also be caused by rough home lives to which a student is focused on things happening outside of the classroom rather than inside the classroom. It is important that classmates and teachers reach out to these students to provide support and encourage them to take part in activities. This idea goes along with Bandura's social learning theory, which proposes that behavior is not only influenced by internal factors, but also by external factors. The last thing I would like to discuss is nonverbal communication. A lot of times, nonverbal communication can be more telling than verbal communication. Types of nonverbal communication I'd like to discuss, particularly for a classroom setting, are body movements and posture, as well as facial expressions. These forms of nonverbal communication are the most influential to the communication receiver, based off the article I studied by Gerald and Paul Jennings from Wichita State University and Jeanne Unruh from the National Institute for Management. Here are some visual examples of disengaging nonverbal behavior. Poor eye contact, like this. And improper posture and slouching, like this. So these behaviors are something you should look for the next time you are in a class, and it's very likely you will see someone partaking in these behaviors. This concludes the video, and I have presented you in multiple forms of disengaging behaviors. From here, I ask you return to the Disengaging Classroom Behavior module and complete the discussion post. Thank you.